Anarchism stands for liberation of the human mind from the dominion of religion, liberation of the human body from the dominion of property, liberation from shackles and the restraint of government. It stands for social order, based on the free grouping of individuals.
The concept was pure, simple, true. It inspired me, lit a rebellious fire. But ultimately, I learned the lesson that Goldman, Proudhon, and the others learned, that true freedom requires sacrifice and pain. Most human beings only think they want freedom. In truth, they yearn for the bondage of social order, rigid laws, materialism. The only freedom man really wants is the freedom to be comfortable.